Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Smarter Everyday Over Learning. In this video, I'll show you the simple tricks to find the answer in decimal multiplications and divisions. This video is very helpful to you to find the simple calculations while you're doing decimal multiplications as well as decimal divisions also. Let us see the first example. If you want to do the answer for 0.06 into 0.04, and the simple trick is you have to find the first after this decimal how many places are there. 1 and 2 places, so 2 plus after this decimal again you are having 2 places, 1 and 2 plus 2. For the for the multiplication only you have to add these two decimal places numbers, then you should get 4 here. Now let us see the answer. You can ignore these zeros, then if you do directly the answer 6 into 4, that is 6 into 4, how much students? That is 24. Then that means 24 is the answer. Then if you calculate from right to left, you are having 4 decimal values. That means 2, 4, 0, 0 and point here and 0. If you count here, the values must be 4 values. Did you understand? Then let us see the second example. 0.8 into 0.07. For this also the same method. The decimal places, see here after the 0 decimal is located, so this is first 1, that means 1 plus. In this number also after the decimal there are 2 places, 1 and 2, so 2. This is 3. That means in the answer you can get 3 places after the decimal. Let us see directly. 8 into 7, 8 into 7, that is 56, and after the decimal you should get 3 places, so that here 0 and 0. This is the answer. Let us see the next example. 0.6 into 0.8. Then if you see this example, after the decimal there is only one value, so you should get here 1 plus 1. Here also after the decimal only 1, then 2. In the answer you should get, after the decimal you should get 2 places, that means 0.6 into 8, that is 48. Directly you should write here 48, that means 0.48. This is the answer. Next let us see the next example. 0.09 into 0.7. Then here see students, after this decimal value you are having 2 places, 1 and 2 plus, and see the second one, after this decimal value you should get only 1 place, so 2 plus 1 3. That means in the answer you should get 3 decimal values after the 0. Now directly you can multiply here. 9 into 7, 9 sevens or 63. 3 decimal values, after the decimal 3 places you should get. Before 63 you can place 0 here, so these are the 3 places after the decimal. Let us see the next example. 0.12 into 0.005. Then this also same. If you count after this decimal, the values must be 1 and 2 plus, and here after this decimal value 1 and 2 3, 2 plus 3 here 5. That means in the answer after the digit of 0, that means after the decimal you should get 5 digit number. So let us see the answer. 12 into 5, 12 5 60. You can come right to left here, like this you should get the answer. 5 decimal values, 5 decimal places, 5 digit you should get. 1 2 3. Here the answer is 0.00060, that is from right to left. Like this, if you count the digit, it must you must get 5-digit number as the answer. This is about the multiplications. You should add the digits, the number of digits you should add, then finally you can get the answer with the help of that number only. Now let us see some more examples for the simple calculations, decimal divisions. How can we say, just how can we write the answer, how can we calculate the answer? If you see the first example here, 0.0072 by 0.09, you should divide, and here this is the numerator and here is the denominator, and see in multiplications what we did previous, you can count the places and you can added them, and here just like that only you can count the places. Here see 1 2 3 4 in the numerator and minus 2 in the denominator, then you should get 2. Now if you do directly 72 by 9, you should get one answer, that is 8. But in the answer with decimal values, you should get like this 0.08, because here you got this answer 2. So in the final answer after the decimal, you should get 2-digit number. This is the trick for the divisions. Let us see the second example, students, then you should get clear idea. And 0.054 by 0.6. Here see, in the numerator how many decimal, after the decimal the places, you can count the places 1 2 3, and see in the denominator only 1, so 2. In the answer you must get, after the decimal value you should get 2-digit number. You can do directly just like this, 54 by 6. How much? It must be 9 6 54, right? So in the answer 0.09. Why? Because in the answer after the decimal you can get 2-digit number, so that before that if you place 0, it is enough for that. Let us see the third example. Like this, you can count just like 0.00018 numerator, after the decimal you should get, here see, count the numbers, only 5 minus, in the denominator only 2, so 3. That means directly if you do the answer 18 by 3, that is answer is 6, but in the final answer you can get, after the decimal place you should get 3-digit number. That's why 0.006 is the answer. Let us see the fourth example. 0.00144 by 0.012. Here also same, student. Let us see in the numerator 1 2 3 4 5 minus the denominator how many values, how many places are there after the after the decimal, only 3. So 5 minus 3, that is the number 2. If you do directly 144 by 12, the answer must be 12. 12 12s 144, right? But in the answer you should get 2-digit number after the decimal, so that 0.12, that is the answer. See the next one, 0.0108 by 0.12. This is also same, students. If you count these numbers 1 2 3 4 minus 2, then 2, that means you should get 2-digit number after the decimal value. If you do directly 108 by 12, then the answer will be 9, right? 9 12s are 108. Then in the final answer you should get, after the decimal, 2-digit number. That's why before 9 you can place 0 here. This is about the divisions. For suppose here if you get negative value, if we subtract like this, if you get here negative value just like minus 2, and here also minus 2, here minus 3. For that also I can give you some if you see the another example, see just 0.12 by 0.03. If you do like this as previous, count the digit, after the digit the numbers 1 and 2, by in the numerator and the denominator also you can count the numbers 2 minus 2, then that is 0. For this, if you get here any number just like 0 or 2 or 3 or 4, for this number you can take 0 and plus 1. If you have here any number, you should do like this, then here plus 1. That means in the answer there must be only one digit. Here if you do directly 12 by 3, the answer is 4. So here you got 1, so that answer is here 4.0. Just like that. I'll show you the another example, students. If you see here 0.08 by 0.002, then you can do as previous, count the numbers, only 2 minus here 3. That means minus 1 you got. Here if you get any answer, that means minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Here you can get, you can take here oppositely. That means opposite value. Here minus 1 you got, so that you can take here plus 1. Plus 1, for this also you can add plus 1. Then that means plus 2. So if you do like this 8 by 2, directly the answer is 4. But in the final answer you can get plus 2 here. So in the answer, after the digit, there must be, in this answer you can see before the decimal you can get 2 digit number. So here 4, then 40.0. Before the decimal value you can count the numbers here, 2 digit number. I'll tell you clearly with another example, 0.36 by 0.004. And see students, you can count the numbers after the decimal, here 2 and minus in the numerator as well as in the denominator. See 2 minus here 4, that means minus 2. So you can take here minus 2 you have got, then you can change the charge, that means you can change the symbol here. Simply you can change the symbol here, plus 2, and you can add plus 1. Then 3 is the answer. That means if you take before the decimal, if you take like this, before the decimal, here 0, before the decimal there are 3 values you should get. If means directly if you do 36 by 4, the answer is 9. 9 4s 36, right? So here decimal value means before the decimal you can have 900.0. Why? Because here you got the answer 3. Let us see the another example. You can get clear idea about this. See students, 0.042 by 0.000014. This is the question you are having here, and for this also same. In the numerator you can count the numbers 1 2 3. 3 minus, see in the denominator, after the decimal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit number is there. So 3 minus 7 you are taking here, that means minus 4. So that if you change the symbol, simply change the symbol, just you can take here as this number as plus 4 plus 1, that is answer is plus 5. That means in the final answer you are getting before the decimal 5 digit number. So if you do directly 42 by 14, the answer is 3, because 3 14s are 42, right? But in the final answer you are getting 5 digit number here, 0.0000, another 0 and 3. I think 30,000. Sorry. Here we got the number only 5. That means before the decimal you can get only 5-digit number, so that including with 3 there are only 4 zeros, so 30,000.0, that is the answer. Let us recall all the examples, students. This is the simple trick to find the simple calculation of the decimal divisions. See here, students, if you get here the number negative numbers, then you can simply change the symbol, sorry, the sign of the number. Here if it is there minus, then you can take that number as plus, and you can change that symbol. Again you can add +1 to any number, then one number you can get before the digit of the number, you can get those many digits as the answer. This is the simple trick to find the divisions. In the division, simply in the numerator value, in the denominator value, you can subtract these two numbers and finally you got one number. That answer, those many digit of numbers you can get in the answer. But in the multiplications, just we discussed previously, you can simply add those numbers. How many decimal, after the decimal, how many places are there, you can add those numbers. This is the way. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please share it also. Thank you.